What if India had a culture like America? Imagine waking up one day and boom, India's culture is exactly like America's. No more hearing your mom shout, Beta, nasta kar le. Instead, you will hear, Hey cha, your smoothie is getting warm. Bro, स्मूदी की जगह मम्मी का आलू पराठा याद आ रहा है अब तो भूख भी मर गई. And trust me, that smoothie is not saving you from your 8 a.m. lecture. Now here's a surprising fact. The first HIV case was discovered in America in 1981. But despite that, America controlled it far better with open conversations, awareness, campaigns and healthcare access. Meanwhile in India, कांडम का ऐड आते ही पापा का रिएक्शन होता है, बेटा चैनल बदल दो, पुलिस वाले आंटी देख रही है. कांडम का ऐड देखा तो शर्म, नहीं देखा तो शराब. If we had America's openness, maybe Sharma ji wouldn't just awkwardly state at the floor. He would actually talk to his kids about important things. Oh, and did you know India's first HIV was detected in 1986, 5 years later? See, we are always fashionably late even in science. In America, turning 18 means, beta, pack your bags. Meanwhile, in India, you could be 30, jobless, and your mom still like, shub shub dahi chini kha ke jana hai. Independence comes early then. But here, bro, mummy ka rajma chawal, unbeatable. And honestly, what's the point of moving out when your mom still calls every hour to ask, khana kya hai? Do you know, Americans are known for the hard work, play hard attitude. Meanwhile, in India, we believe in work hard, chai break, ले थोड़ा पॉलिटिक्स डिस्कस कर ले, फिर एक और चाय ब्रेक और फिर भी सब टाइम पे खत्म कर लो. प्रोडक्टिविटी का असली मीनिंग तो हमने लिखा है. मल्टीटास्किंग ग्रुप, इंडियन इंजीनियर्स हैव बीन कोडिंग, gossiping and planning शादी का मेनू at the same time. In America, people count calories. Here in India, we just ask, भाई इतनी ठीक ही है. They eat salad to stay fit. We eat butter naan, biryani and samosa and still walk like we own the runway. Bro, हमारा यहाँ डाइट कभी शुरू होती है जब डॉक्टर बोले अब नहीं सुधरना तो शुगर का मीटर फुल हो जाएगा. In America, people smile and even say what's going on even if they don't know you. Your neighbors will greet you like, बेटा results आया, and by next morning your mark sheet will leak. पूरी मोहल्ला व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में होती है. Now imagine a holy party. The DJ is blasting EDM, everyone's dressing like they're at Coachella, sunglasses, hats, and all the stuff. And suddenly someone screams, shots, shots, shots. Meanwhile, Sharma uncle sitting still in the corner, proudly dancing to Rang Barsi with his towel moving on point. Because है भाई, कुछ चीजें कभी नहीं सुधरेगी. At the end of the day, America's independence and India's family bonding both have their own charm. But let's face it, whether we are eating burgers or BBQ, आचार तो हम definitely निकाल ही लेंगे. So tell me, which American trend do you like should India adapt? And what's the Indian tradition does the world desperately need? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hey, like, share and subscribe. वरना शर्मा अंकल होली पार्टी पे डोल लेके पहुंच जाएंगे. See you in the next one.